Machafu kama iko zao utaona. So hii imeandikwa like 3C 6. Hapa tena
You had an accident. Water. This water. Was it leaking?
And there must be some one of the containers leaking.
Oh.
you can see it. That you can see it.
Now, these pins, these ones are more than this.
Yes. That they are small. Because they are small so that they can be.
Okay.
Question?
Sasa, as a way of identifying hii problem, the way umesema is actually the best. But I've tried to look at the other ones, whether it program using in writing. So once you have an idea about the type, when you and you have a what do you call it, magnifier, so you can just be able to tell by just looking at all the ones that
Now you see
the motherboard.
we are trying to narrow it down by now having the key or the way to identify the input powers, isn't it? So first of all, you must go to this one, isn't it? Because now you know let's go to them. So you not go to this one, isn't it? You not even go to this one. But you can say you can come to this one and also to this one. So then you just put it there. But when now you go to the numbers, you just see all these numbers, the numbers we have.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have. So eventually, you know. So that's why we are trying to narrow it down by doing the main key link to know how to note. Yes.
So the from carries data, has data about certain.
So something else to note, because I think that's what it doesn't mean that because you are talking about only that has or every computer has a doesn't matter whether it has a basically because as I initially said, one of them is to store the command. Yes, to store the command, which will be able now to help the processor to be able now to receive the task. Yes. Most of the issues do not have anything. Okay? But now, that's why now you find that the code of the key or the program of the key now is stored inside there.